Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So this is the look we are doing today. It's a festive look. It's super light and easy to achieve, and if you're interested in this look, then please keep watching. So like usual, my base makeup is done and I'm starting off with the eyes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, Iconic Division. And I'm using the dark matte green from the palette and using that on my entire lid and crease. Taking my time to build the color up and smoke it out as much as desired. And I'm using the Nika blending brush for that, and this is one of my favorite blending brushes. So this eye look is very simple and easy to achieve, and there isn't much to do. I'm just gonna smoke this color out, use a shimmer in the middle and just smoke it out more with another light green color. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And now I'm taking this very light nude matte shade from the same palette and use that on my brow bone and blend it with the green to diffuse the color to make it look more gradient. Now I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Art Mousse eyeshadow palette, and from the palette I'm going to be using this beautiful lime greenish eyeshadow, shimmer eyeshadow right in the middle of the eyelid. This just transforms the whole look and makes the look more festive and glam. Now that it's done, I'm gonna deepen the outer corners and crease with the same dark matte green eyeshadow that we used first. Next, I'm gonna use a kohl. This one's by Essence, and use that on my lower lash line. Since it's a festive look, I'm gonna make my lower lash line a little darker, which I normally don't do. Now taking the same matte green eyeshadow on a pencil brush, I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Next, I'm gonna take this tealish green matte eyeshadow and use that on my lower lash line to further smoke it out, to blend the green and diffuse it further. It just softens the look and blends better, and it just looks more seamless. Now I'm gonna use a white gold on my waterline. This one is by Wet n Wild. Next, I'm gonna take this same tealish green matte eyeshadow and use that right above the crease to blend the green with the nude brown to make it more seamless and gradient. Next, I'm gonna add some winged liner. I'm using the Lakme Shine Line in black. Next, I'm gonna take this beautiful light green sparkly eyeshadow and use that on my inner corners. This just brightens the whole look up and makes the look more festive. For highlighting, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Soap X highlighting palette and use this beautiful bronzy gold shade from the palette and use that to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, basically all the high points of my face. For blush, I'm using the Lakme Blush Duo in the shade Rose Blush. This is a beautiful pale pinkish blush and it just looks very fresh. Highlighting my brow bone. Finally, lipstick. I'm using this really beautiful lipstick by Maylin in the shade 809 Bronze. It's a beautiful deep brown shade and it just looks stunning, and it's also super matte. I got this lipstick from a local store, but these lipsticks are also available on purple.com, Amazon and Flipkart, so it shouldn't be a problem trying to get these if you really like this. Look how pretty the lipstick looks. It's super pigmented and super matte, and the finish is just out of the world. Now I'm gonna quickly wear some lashes off camera and be right back. So this is the look. It's not only super simple, but it's glam and it's very easy to achieve, and you can get this look in 15 minutes flat if you're in a time crunch. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video.